Dear viewers, welcome to ERi-TV English News broadcast live from the headquarters in the capital, Asmara. With your latest news and developments for today, Tuesday, 28 October, is me Bersabet Taghla. But first are the top stories. Eritrea participates at the African Commission on Human and People's Rights in Gambia. Meeting on implementation of development programs in Af subzone. US and Japan sign critical minerals deal today. And Vietnam and Canada aim to boost bilateral trade by 1.5 times. In your domestic reports, an Eritrean delegation participated in the 85th session of the African Commission on Human and People's Rights, which is being held from 21 to 30 October in Banjul, the Gambia. At the session, delegations from various countries are delivering statements focusing on their respective activities and achievements in the promotion and protection of human rights. Regarding Eritrea's fundamental stance on human rights, the Eritrean delegation presented a detailed briefing outlining the progress the country has made in its nation-building process and the achievements registered based on the principles of self-reliance. According to reports, Eritrea has been recognized as one of the countries that regularly submits its periodic national reports to the Commission. Coming back to reports occurring within the country, Ms. Asmeret Abraha, governor of the Northern Red Sea region, conducted a meeting with residents of Af subzone on 26 October, focusing on the implementation of the set-out development programs. At the meeting, Ms. Asmeret gave an extensive briefing on the activities carried out in water and soil conservation and construction of small and large water reservoirs that have created satisfaction to the residents, as well as efforts to expand transportation, education, health services and afforestation, and highlighted the progress achieved so far. The participants conducted extensive discussions on the issues raised during the meeting and adopted various recommendations. Ms. Asmeret also visited the progress of the schools under construction and the potable water project in Felket administrative area. In another news, training on time management and effective planning has been provided to students and staff of the Hagaz Agricultural and Technical School. The training covered the topics including the concept of time and its management, time management for students supported by practical examples, as well as the consequences of the time wastage and other related issues. Mr. Marhawi Zarai, head of the workers' organization at the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students branch in Ansaba region, said that effective time management plays a significant role in the development of the teaching and learning process. He also called on the trainees to apply the knowledge they gained from the training and to use their time efficiently. Mr. Malakh Brhane, director of the school, and Mr. Hadish Gabayehu, head of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students in Hagaz subzone, called on the trainees to take their education seriously and make effective use of their time. Still with your domestic reports, Harbenyatat and Budoho junior schools in Asmara have encouraged 66 outstanding students who scored high marks in the 2024-2025 8th grade national examination. They also recognized exemplary teachers. Accordingly, Harbenyatat Junior School recognized 30 students, including 15 female students who scored above 90 points in the national examination, and encouraged 7 exemplary teachers. Budoho Junior School also awarded 36 outstanding students, including 15 female students, who scored over 88 points, and recognized 6 exemplary teachers. Stay tuned, dear viewers, for your international reports and more after the short break. Welcome back. Today, Tuesday, 28 October, US and Japan signed a cooperation agreement on the production and supply of critical and rare earth minerals. The deal was reached during Trump's trip to Tokyo, where he met with Japan's new Prime Minister, Sanada Takaichi, for the first time. Trump has long expressed interest in securing access to rare earth minerals in various parts of the world, seeking both lucrative economic opportunities and greater geopolitical leverage. Earlier this year, the U.S. signed a mineral deal with Ukraine. Trump also signed an investment agreement with Australia earlier this month, aimed at countering China's dominance in the rare earth and critical minerals market. In today's final report, Vietnam and Canada have agreed to work toward increasing their bilateral trade by 1.5 times within the next 3 to 5 years, a local newspaper reported today. The agreement was reached on during a meeting yesterday on the sidelines of the 47th Association of Southeast Asian Nations ASEAN Summit in Malaysia. Both sides pledged to complete and sign the ASEAN-Canada Free Trade Agreement by 2026, calling it a vital step to strengthen regional economic connectivity and facilitate market access for businesses. The Vietnamese Minister of Industry and Trade and the Canadian Minister of International Trade discussed economic, trade and investment cooperation and agreed to further expand partnership in energy, aerospace and technology. Dear viewers, that was it for today, but before we conclude, a quick reminder of the top stories. Eritrea participates at the African Commission on Human and People's Rights in Gambia. Meeting on implementation of development programs in Afabit subzone. US and Japan sign critical minerals deal today. And Vietnam and Canada aim to boost bilateral trade by 1.5 times. Thank you for watching, and we'll be back tomorrow, same time, with more news and developments. But until then, have a good one.